The biggest issue with the e-waste management that should be our prime focus is its proper disposal and distribution of proper knowledge among the youth about the benefits of the e-waste recycling. A majority of our population are young adults, thus the best way to bring about any change is to make things accessible for them. We need to find ways in which we can provide an equal opportunity to everyone for participating and doing something for themselves and an extension for the nation. Only then we would be able to see results on a larger scale and thus would contribute in the development of our nation. We as a team has formed a solution for all these issues. We will form an internship program for all the undergraduate students in association with the UGC. This will enable all the college-going students to participate and learn as well as help in our e-waste management program.
The UGC will issue a program under which every student can take a summer internship in the Proactive Volunteering E-Waste Camp. This will be a month-long program which anyone can take anytime throughout their college time. It would require students to enroll themselves in these programs, and UGC will allocate certain number of students to NGO nearest to them. They would work as volunteers in these NGO, thereby learning about the different methods of e-waste management and also enabling the NGO to work on larger projects because of extra manpower.
As the students would be provided a valid certificate for their work and contribution to the NGO, it would be a valuable addition to their work profile, helping them in future as well.
As the NGO would be having a large number for volunteers at their disposal, they would manage the proper disposal of e-waste from the smallest to the largest manufacturers around them.
They could reach the remotest of places and help people understand the health hazards that improper disposal brings with it. They can also run campaigns in different areas which would further promote recycling and use of reusable products in the manufacturing process.
I think it is the best way to deal with this issue as
people would be educated on a larger scale.
students being young can work actively and provide valuable additions to this process.
The NGOs would be able to work in different sectors other than just large-scale manufacturing sectors.
Awareness among youth would enable the future generation to be more cautious about these issues of global importance.
It would be a great opportunity for the students to do help the nation in the form of social work.
Colleges and schools will not have to organize special programs to inform students on such issues.
It would ultimately help us in utilizing the resources we extract from e-waste in a better way due to the increased awareness.
So with this, we end up with the final part of our video. In part 1, we tried to put light on the problems on e-waste through which the whole world is suffering. And in part 2, we tried to discuss few solutions. And in the final part, we came up with the most converging solutions. If you think that we need any improvement in the solution, then please let us know through the feedback form given in the description box. We are eagerly waiting for your feedback. Part 1 and Part 2 video link is also given in the description box, so if you haven't watched, then go watch them through the link. Thanks to all of you for supporting us. So till then, stay home, stay safe.